Hello guys! So, today on Art Inspirations, we are going to be doing a review of Ohuhu markers. I don't know if that's how they're called, but we're gonna go with it. Ohuhu markers against Copic, guys. That is what we are doing. I've already said that, but we are going to get into it. I have right over here, a 60 pack, and I have a little, if we can see it, a 40 pack right here. So we are going to try and do a little drawing with it. If you guys would like beforehand, I'm going to warn you, it's probably going to be a little bit of a longer video. My reviews always go a little bit longer than I expect, but if you like it, please subscribe. Let me know what you think if you've tried the markers, and yeah, so here we go, guys. So the first thing I wanted to get started trying was seeing the difference between the Ohuhu marker and the Copic marker. So like the Artist Loft review, I actually just have some, I believe it was a letter, so it has a little bit more slick paper, and I was trying out just doing some lines with it, seeing the consistency when pressing a little bit harder. The one thing I do know, and I'm already biased because I do like Ohuhu markers and I use them all the time, but the Ohuhu marker does have more flow to it. It feels a little bit more like painting, and I personally really like that. I like painting with watercolor, so that kind of makes sense for me. But that was kind of just the test of it, and then I decided I wanted to do, you know, a full sketch with the Ohuhu markers because I can, and because I really like them. But besides that, I just wanted to also do another little thank you to one of my awesome followers, Amazing Sir Cat. This is a little tribute to you as one of my incredible followers who keeps inspiring me to keep going. I hope you don't mind that I drew the little icon picture you had of a cat, but I did it a little bit more, I don't know, to me, Amazing Sir Cat, I feel like he needs a manacle and a top hat. I feel like that would need, you know, that kind of grandeur, but I hope you like it. Just so you know, if you like this picture once it's all finished, please email me and I will send it to you. I'd love to be able to get it to you because you're one of my awesome followers. Thank you again to each and every one of you who follow me. I love you guys. I'm so grateful for you. And, you know, anytime I can say that, anytime I can say thank you, you guys are awesome. You help me continue wanting to do better at my art. You help me stay inspired. And you're one of my weekly art inspirations. So thanks, guys, for doing that. Be sure to let your friends know about Art Inspirations. Let's grow this family that we have. Let's grow to where we can all do incredible things together, keep making incredible art. But back to the Ohuhu marker review. I'm biased, as I've said, so I love these markers. I think they're fantastic just because, one, they're affordable, and I need that. But it's just, they're super fun to draw with. Personally, I like how they feel. They're a kind of oval shape, and I like the ones I'm using are oval shape. The other ones I have are square, and either of them I actually really like holding. I have small hands, so they actually fit in my hand quite well. But yeah, I really like these markers. Cost effectively wise, like I did with the Copic markers, I paid, I believe, $20 for the 40 set and $30, I think my dad gave me the 60 set, but the 60 set I believe was somewhere around $40, something like that, and in comparison 5 Copics cost $35, so this is a huge price difference. If you want great markers, I will endorse them. I am not sponsored. I wish I could be sponsored. But I love these markers. I think they're great. I would definitely try them out. But yeah, anyways, I hope you guys liked the video. Thanks again for my wonderful followers. I love you guys so much. Make sure to comment below and let me know what other things you'd like me to keep trying next. I'm also leaving a card at the top of this video so you can go back and see the Artist Loft marker video. my review of it and see another fun little drawing dedicated to one of my awesome followers. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Amazing Sir Cat, thank you as one of my awesome followers on Instagram, my awesome followers on YouTube. Thank you guys for all that you do to help my channel keep going, all that you do to be amazing. I hope you guys stay inspired. Don't forget how amazing you are. I just want you to know that you guys are amazing. I love you guys so much. So keep just being amazingly, incredibly awesome, okay? And if you wouldn't mind subscribing, that would be great. It helps the channel keep growing. If you want to hit the bell icon, that would be even better. And if you want some more videos, there's a few more over here. Have a great day, guys. Stay inspired, stay amazing. You're incredible.